Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gizmo Rush. Today, I want to talk about a problem that is way more common than you may think. My colleague recently showed me his phone's AMOLED display which had suddenly developed pink and purple spots. He was understandably worried and asked me if there was any way to fix this annoying issue, which inspired me to make this video. AMOLED screens are renowned for their vibrant colors and deep blacks, but they sometimes develop a pink or purple tint which can quickly spread and even turn black, covering the entire screen in just a few days. This can happen due to either hardware damage or software glitch. If it's a software problem, you might be able to fix it by updating your phone software or using third-party apps to slow down the screen's degradation. However, if the issue is due to hardware damage, it often means replacing the entire display folder, which can be expensive. But don't lose hope. If you know a reliable phone repair shop, you might be able to save some money and keep your original display intact. In this video, I will share 6 possible reasons as to why your phone's screen may turn purple and how to fix it. Sometimes a software glitch or a bug can cause color inaccuracies on your screen. This can be particularly frustrating because it's not immediately obvious that the issue is software related. The first step to resolving this is to restart your phone. If the problem persists, check for any available software updates. Manufacturers often release updates that includes fixes for display issues. Or you can use a third-party software to slow down the screen deterioration. The most common reason for a purple tint on your AMOLED screen is physical damage. If you have recently dropped your phone or applied too much pressure on the screen, you might have damaged the delicate OLED layers. Even a small crack or impact can cause significant color issues. You can check out if this is the cause by looking for any visible signs of damage like cracks or dents in your phone screen. If you find any purple tint on your phone screen, then it can happen due to physical damage. Another common cause is screen burn. This happens when static images are displayed for extended periods, causing certain pixels to degrade faster than the others. Over time, this can lead to a permanent discoloration, often seen as a purple tint on the screen which increases over time. If that's the reason for the purple shade on your Super AMOLED screen, then you can try to change your wallpaper frequently. Use dark mode, disable the always on display feature and lower your screen brightness. Also, you can enable screensavers to avoid displaying static images for a long time. Creating these videos takes a lot of time and effort. If you're enjoying these videos and found it useful, then you can show your appreciation by liking this video, subscribing to Gizmo Rush and hitting the notification button so you never miss any updates. Exposure to moisture or water can also cause your AMOLED screen to develop a purple tint. Even if your phone is water resistant, moisture can sometimes find its way inside, leading to various display issues. If you suspect moisture damage, then you can try placing your phone with silica gel packets to absorb the moisture. Leave it there for at least 24 hours before turning it back on. If the problem persists after drying out your phone, it's best to consult a professional technician. Moisture damage can be tricky to fix on your own, and a technician will have the right tools and experience needed to fix this issue. In some rare cases, a defect from the manufacturing process can cause parts of the screen to malfunction over time. If your phone is still under warranty, then you can contact the manufacturer or retailer. They might offer a free repair or replacement if the issue is due to a manufacturing defect. Lastly, the age of your screen can be a factor. Over time, the materials in an AMOLED screen degrade, leading to color shifts and other display issues. If you've had your phone for several years, it might simply be the time for an upgrade. While it's still always a bit sad to part with an old device, the good news is that new phones come with improved technology and better durability, so you're less likely to encounter the same issues. So these are the main reasons why your phone's AMOLED screen might be turning purple and some solutions to help you fix it. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be facing the same issue. Don't forget to subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.